What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Scene Cam, and the title of the video is Entitled Driver Skips the Lane and Gets Instant Karma. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
Deputies were working a traffic crash when they suddenly encountered a woman who felt she was above the law.
Oh boy, that didn't work out too well. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? No! I don't care! The answer's no!
Ida David Nora.
Okay. Can you give me your driver's license? Yes, it is. What, do you not see this blue truck? Do you not see that blue truck? Put your car in park and give me your driver's license. Put your car in park and give me your driver's license.
She gonna get you together.
I don't.
Listen, one thing you don't want as a female is to run into a female officer. She gonna get you together. You better off with a male. I ain't gonna lie to you. Because women and women, boo, 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 boo. It's a power struggle. This female officer gonna get her ass together.
Care. We got blue lights and people's safety for a reason. Put your car in park.
Oh my God.
Okay, stop her.
Yo, stop.
Britt, go. Put her in jail. I'll be there.
Gotta worry about getting your daughter no more. Damn.
Can you 10-9 your 10-20? You had a lot of background.
Moonsail Drive, Barrow Coast Trail. Get in the car. Sit down.
My daughter was right here waiting for me.
Sit down.
Oh my God.
Give me your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance.
Because they blocked it off, and I was trying to get to Giselle, and I got here. She's not freaking
It's
here.
related to that.
Look, my daughter's
Okay,
right
sit
there.
down.
My daughter's right there.
I don't care.
I was trying to get to my daughter. Dude, it's blocked off.
Sit down and give me your driver's license. Now.
I don't have it with me. It's at the house.
Don't get involved. Don't get involved.
That's my...
I get it, but don't get involved.
Oh, you don't even yell at me. I'm not being...
Don't get involved.
Get off the
I
phone.
was trying to... This is my husband.
I don't care.
I was trying
You
to
are
get to
stopped
my
for a
daughter.
lawful reason.
How was it? It wasn't even blocked off. People were coming out of the street.
North 32. Can you advise
You
me
guys
that
were
tag
blocking
is
all
back
the way to 75.
Yeah,
I'm
why
trying
do you
to get
think
to
we're
my
doing that?
daughter. It was nothing blocking
It was a traffic
this way.
crash. Okay?
It was
You
nothing
disobeyed
blocking this
Okay,
way.
I'm not arguing with you.
Eduardo Garcia.
You don't have a driver's license?
I have a driver's license. It's at home. That's what
What's
I was
your
trying
name?
to say.
What's your name?
I'm not saying that.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back. Let's go.
If you want my
She's
driver's
refusing.
license,
Okay.
Do you want it or do you want me to take it?
So you can take it.
All right. Come on.
Your kids are in that car, are they?
Turn around. This is not the way you should have handled this.
I don't need to be arrested, ma'am. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get my driver's license. I was trying to get my daughter. My daughter's right there. My daughter's right there.
Good job. Good example for your daughter. Good job.
Do you have anything in your pockets?
Yes.
What do you
I
have?
don't know. What, my keys.
All right. Good.
Okay. So, per Florida statute, when we stop you, you have to give us certain documents, and she's refusing. So, unfortunately for her, that's violation, and that's a jailable offense. I don't know. So she probably should have listened to us a mile up the street, and this wouldn't be happening. But she couldn't wait the 5 seconds it was going to take us to open up the road to come down here, and she came that far from hitting him. So now it's aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, which is a felony. So you can go. Do you know who owns this car?
Yes.
Okay, can you call them and have them come pick it up? Yeah, it's her sister.
Is this Jessica?
No, we're not giving her a ticket.
No. Am I able to take the car?
If she allows you to take the car, yeah. How are you going to get home?
I live down the street.
Are you going to walk back?
Yes.
Okay. If she allows you to take the car, then yeah, we'll let you take the car.
Do we have a name for her yet? Because she's refusing.
Surname Jessica? Yes. You can charge her with
I only saw bits and pieces of it, so what? Obviously, we've got driving around the barricade.
Driving around the barricade, and then she drove off almost 50 meters. But I had to step back before so she wouldn't run me over.
Okay. Yeah,
So
I'll charge her with it.
Yeah. And then refusing to give information.
Oh, she wouldn't stop until I got up here. I was doing almost 100 just to catch up to her. Would have taken a lot less time had you just stopped. Then you wouldn't be in this situation. It doesn't give you the right to almost run over a police officer or disobey.
I wasn't even close to her.
Okay.
I was not close to her at all. So, again, why is she being arrested?
Let me walk you through this.
Please.
Okay? There's a massive traffic crash up there, right? We've had to direct traffic for over an hour, hour and a half. We shut the road down legally to get the tow trucks in so we could get the cars off the road in order to open the flow of traffic back up. Do you understand that part? Yeah. Okay. She decided she didn't want to wait. We pulled off the road and we opened the entire lanes back up. She went in the opposite lane of traffic, and when I stopped her, she decided she didn't want to wait, right? And I don't know what I'm talking about. So she drives off, almost runs over my foot, doesn't stop for him, and then speeds all the way up Carter Road. And then when he stops her here, she refuses to get her information. She refuses to say anything other than the fact I had to go get my daughter. And when we legally stop you for a traffic violation and you refuse to give your stuff, it's a violation of Florida state statute, and she went to jail.
So that's the only charge right now, violation of...
No, she's probably going to get a... we're going to watch the video, and if one of us had to step back, she's probably going to get an aggravated assault on law enforcement officer, which is a felony. Had she just waited 5 more seconds, I was getting in my vehicle, and I was pulling off the side of the road. But because she couldn't wait, and she went in the opposite lane of traffic, which could have caused an accident because the people that were coming off of Carter turning right onto Moccasin Wallow have the right-of-way. She's in the opposite lane.
And the sister ain't trying to hear that. She ain't trying to hear that. The sister looking like, man, this is some BS. You know what I'm saying? But she don't understand that there was a car crash, and that's the main point. And then she took off from the officers when they stopped her. That's not computing in her brain. I could look at the girl and tell. It ain't computing, you know?
Traffic. And had she called it a traffic crash, a head-on traffic crash, we'd have been towing her off in an ambulance. So we don't do things just to piss people off, right? We do things for safety of everybody involved. To include us, to include the 2 people that were already involved in the traffic crash. And we don't have time for this, right? Had she just waited and stopped there, and I'm pretty easygoing, right? So when I ask you to stop, that's what I'm asking you to do. And don't give me this line of excuse. Everybody on that road has somewhere to be. I mean, it's been a busy road for a lot of years. When I ask you to stop and get out of the opposite lane of traffic, we have a problem. And then when we come up here, legally we're allowed to ask you for your documents, your driver's license, all that. She's refusing. So, unfortunately for her, better choices next time. But again, we had a lawful reason to stop that, and because she didn't think that she needed to wait, or that some of the road was opened up to get the tow trucks in, then yeah. And so that's the whole story.
The suspect was charged with resisting and cited for disobeying a police officer. She ended up pleading no contest and was sentenced to 6 months of probation. Consider subscribing to Crime Scene Cam for more exclusive content.
6 months probation? I thought she was gonna get 2 months. You know they don't get no real punishment for things like this. But whatever. I think the officers did a pretty good job. Pretty good job, man. I'm giving them 4 out of 5. Had to track them down, stuff like that. I mean, she thought she was above the law. She thought she could do whatever the hell she wanted to do. She had no regard for anybody else but herself. Listen, get her ass together. You know what I mean? Whatever. Now your kid had to see you get hauled off in the handcuffs. Great example. All right. Yeah, so I'll catch you in the next video or whatever. And let me know how well you think the officers did. All right, I'll catch you.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.